In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the payer on a Splitwise expense. This is really useful if you accidentally set the wrong person as the one who paid, or if you're just cleaning up your group expenses to make sure everything is accurate. First, open Splitwise and go to the group or friend list where the expense is recorded. Once you're on that group page, look for the specific expense you want to edit. This might be something like a dinner, a trip cost, or a shared bill. Click on that expense to open its details. You should now see information like the total amount, who paid, and how it's split between the people in the group. Next, inside the expense details, look for the option that says Edit Expense. This is usually near the bottom or top corner of the expense window, depending on your screen size or device. Click on Edit Expense. This will switch the expense into editing mode, allowing you to change things like the amount, description, and most importantly, who paid. Now focus on the section that shows who paid the bill. It may currently show your name or someone else's name as the payer. Click on the current payer, which might be labeled as you if you originally created the expense. When you click on it, a list of group members or people involved in that expense should appear. From this list, choose the correct person who actually paid for the expense. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the right person, because this change will affect how much everyone owes and who is owed money in the group. Once you've selected the new payer, you should see the expense update to reflect that change. After you've chosen the correct payer, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the editing window. Click on Save to confirm your changes. Splitwise will then recalculate the balances for everyone involved based on the new payer information. That's all you need to do. By clicking on the expense, editing it, changing the payer, and saving, you've successfully updated who paid for that item. This keeps your group balances accurate and helps avoid confusion later on. If you make a mistake, you can always repeat these steps and adjust it again.